Happy New Year. As you can see, this is the first official snowstorm of 2022. And I'm about to go out. If you do not have to go out, please do not go out. As you can see, it's cold outside, slippery, weather conditions do not permit driving. But I have to go out, so I have to clean up my car and head out. So I'm going to show you guys what New York City looks the first snowstorm of the year, guys. Alright? So let me clean up the car and show you guys what the road looks like, alright? Chains, see that? Snow chains on the bus. City's ready. New York City Transit, yep. Gotta clean out them streets, guys. Check this out. I'm about to go down this little hill right here. Just in case you're going down and your car is skidding, do not apply the brakes. Do something called brake stopping. Step on the brake and let it go. Step on the brake, let it go. So that way your wheels keep rolling and your car does not skid. Alright? So when you're driving down any hill or you're driving in the snow for any reason, if you apply the brakes at once, your car is gonna skid and you're gonna have an accident. Car's got stuck already, look at that. This one car had an accident, yep, see? Drive safe, guys. Do not be out here, do not be out here. Sanitation department, all the city agencies cleaning the streets, they did a good job. Because I can't even believe